Hello, Happy New Year and welcome to another model video. This is Alan from the Mokanaman on YouTube. With a very quick end of year vlog, not a lot of regular and subscription retention, and audio only isn't a format within this genre. During the calendar year, I have produced 29 models, 11 of them lower effort one-day builds, other weekly uploads being tutorials, reviews, events. Being a legacy channel, the drop in viewer discovery and views seem to have flatlined this year to its historical low, which I'm content with. In the way of improved content and editing, retention and other metrics have increased. This year we've hit the biggest view in a single day with the viral video of the Bandai data leaks analysis. And channel growth is still very steadily occurring, showing that we're not quite dead yet and going to reach 10,000 next year. A massive milestone I never thought would have reached. There definitely has been some personal setbacks, both negative and positive, with the channel still being kept on life support until more time can be allocated in conjunction with my hobby shop business and drafting making garage kits. Evidently a large part of the poor performance would have been the entire month of May being taken off with no content, with a focus on shorts rather than videos at some points. With larger projects such as the injection molding machine and the production of garage kits will still remain on hold for a year or two, I don't have any particular ambitious goals for 2025 besides the continuation of weekly uploads, continuing to finish partially complete projects from throughout the years, focus on Airbrush reviews in the first quarter, which we've picked up a few sponsors near the end of this year. And I would like a couple to about 10 ambitious builds like garage kits and gunpla. Plus the release of a few 3D models to download and other people to make, such as the collaborative project with Too Old for Toys on the Dokuro Zaku. Very worthwhile checking out, and my video will be done later on. This concludes activities for the year. Please don't fear, as I still very much enjoy content creating and working on the channel, even though things will continually change and the face of what sort of content put out will differ depending on effort and time restraints. Being an old school creator, it is challenging to find a format that works with modern viewers. Thank you for your support, comments, and just joining us or long-term view, even rediscovering. Happy modeling, get some builds in. Happy New Year. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, until next time, stay tuned for more content. See you later.